since we spoke about the first Metro and music, of course, there was late KK who sang so many songs
Yeah.
for us. Very much looking forward to this composition as well of Metro in Dino. But is there anything that you all have done as a tribute to him through the film, through the songs?
The whole film, the soundtrack actually is tribute to him. The whole film is tribute to KK. The whole film is tribute to Irfan. So we all missed him, you know. And actually every song, because you know, when I was talking to Bhushan ji today only in the green room ki प्रीतम की compositions को ना सबसे ज़्यादा KK compliment करता है, the kind of scale he makes the tune with. So yeah, but the songs are great. लेकिन हमेशा because KK not only Metro, KK has you know sung in all my movies, so obviously I'll miss him, and we are missing him.
Thank you. All the very best for the film.
Hello. Hi. My name is Manjari Mukherjee and I'm from Pop Diaries. So my first question is to Anurag sir. So the last line of the trailer, किसी के साथ सारी जिंदगी गुजारने के लिए उसी इंसान के साथ बार बार प्यार में गिरना पड़ता है. This saying is so profound, so relatable. I want to know, is it lost in translation in this generation?
नहीं, मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है क्योंकि जब सी द फिल्म इज एक्चुअली फिल्म में जितने सारे किरदार हैं, जितने कहानियां हैं, सब आसपास के ही हैं. आई थिंक आप सब भी कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी किरदार के साथ सब रिलेट करें, क्योंकि हमारी आपकी कहानी बहुत अलग नहीं है, घूम फिर के थोड़ी आसपास की होती है. तो यूर राइट, ये मिस तो हो गया है, इसलिए ये लाइन बार बार, क्योंकि हम कोशिश नहीं करते हैं और क्योंकि इतने जद्दोजहद में लगे रहते हैं, कोशिश करने का वक्त भी नहीं मिलता हमें बाकी चीज़ों में. सो वो कोशिश करना तो बहुत ज़रूरी है. बार बार इश्क में पढ़ना एक ही इंसान के साथ, वो तो इम्पोर्टेंट है.
My next question is to Sara. I love each and every jodi in this film, and everyone has their own unique chemistry. But maybe because of my age, I relate to your jodi the most, you and Aditya. So, and the netizens have been raving about your chemistry. So, what was the experience like working with Aditya?
See, I had a lot of fun. I think that, I mean, I've grown up watching Basuda's films, and I think that just being given an opportunity to be part of it was just amazing. And I think that Basuda and Adi...
Ari, she's talking about Adi and chemistry.
I'm getting to it, so just being nice, you know, and honest and sweet. But I also think that Basuda has a way of working that I have never really seen before, you know. You kind of like, and Adi, basically what I'm trying to say is Adi, having worked with Basuda before, was like it was very, it was like a nice bridge kind of a thing, because they like knew each other and they knew how to kind of work, and I instantly felt very comfortable because of, I think, the fact that he got me into this way of working. Quite
I
easily.
acted as a translator between the...
No, not really, but like my first day of work was with you and Fatima, and y'all were both like, you know, this is it, this is how it's going to be, because I was like, ho kya raha hai, what's happening, what are we saying, do we know what we're saying, and they're like, just go with it, just flow, you'll find, you know, you'll get used to it,
Ho jayega.
It's like, kya hoga, like, what are we doing? Yeah. So I think that, yeah, it was definitely helpful to have him around.